Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thank you for stopping by. So tonight I got a little bored and I just wanted to shoot another video. So this is my take on a rose gold cut crease. And if you would like to know how I got this look, please stay tuned. So here I'm lining the under part of my eyebrow with NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I like to do this with all of my makeup looks just to carve out my eyebrow and make it look very crisp. So here I'm taking my NYX eyeshadow base in Skin Tone and my Morphe 410 flat brush just to spread this all over my eyelid. I'm trying my best to get a very even, thin coat. I chose to use this base over a concealer because, as you can see, my eyelids are very dry due to the winter. So anything that's super creamy will work perfectly if you also have dry eyelids. Next, I'm taking my Sacha Buttercup setting powder just to set the cream base. So here I'm just assessing my lid. I do have hooded lids slightly. So I'm going to take the color Lulu in this big fluffy brush and I'm just going to apply that right above my crease. And this is going to be my transition shade. When you have hooded eyes, you can't just place your transition shade in your crease like most people do. You'd have to put it above your crease so that you can see it. So here I'm taking a smaller blending brush, it's like a medium sized, and I'm using Burrow by Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. It's like a hot pink shade, and I'm placing that right underneath my transition shade. And so here I'm using an even denser brush. It's shorter, it has more bristles so that I can really pack on the color. I'm using Zobo by Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. This color is kind of like a hot pink purple. And here I am using just a clean blending brush and I'm just using that to blur out any lines. I wanted to intensify my crease a bit, so I'm taking the same color, Zobo, with my Morphe E17 brush just to deepen up my crease. Here I'm taking a bullet brush. It's perfect for precision, and I'm using the color Bororo by Juvia's Place Saharan palette just to intensify my outer V. And taking this flat shader brush, I'm going to use the color Zoya, and I'm just using that to highlight underneath my brow. Now I'm going back in with the big fluffy brush I used in the beginning just to make sure that everything is blended out. You can never blend too much. So the area of skin that I just picked up is where my hood begins to fold. So what I do is I put my crease above my crease, if that makes any sense. I'm using this flat lip brush from Real Techniques and Tarte Shape Tape. I really love the Shape Tape for this look because it's nice and creamy. And I'm using my Morphe M410 just to make that shape of the wing more perfect. Going back in with Sacha Buttercup setting powder just to set my concealer that I just put on my lids. And to intensify and deepen my crease, I'm going to go back in with Bororo with my bullet brush just to carve out that line a little bit more. And I'm also going to take my blending brush to blend out any harsh edges. So on my washcloth, I have water and Palmer's facial oil just to clean up any fallout and clean up any lines. So here I'm taking my Real Techniques lip brush and I'm using Too Faced glitter glue just to put glitter on my entire crease. And I'm trying to get this coat as even as possible, so I'm working fast so I can get it all on there before it dries. Here I'm taking a flat brush and NYX Shimmer Down pigment in Mauve Pink. I absolutely love this pigment. I think I might have paid like $6.50 for it, and it's a good amount in the jar. So it's very soft. It doesn't make your eyes feel heavy. It doesn't make them feel like they're irritated or anything like that. Your girl has like freaking crocodile skin or whatever right now. So I'm using Hydra Touch primer. It's like an oil primer from NYX. I absolutely love it. It doesn't make my skin super oily, but it gives me the perfect amount of hydration. I got this highlighter from like a subscription service. I can't even remember what the name of it is. But anyway, this is more of like a pink champagne highlighter. So here I am tight lining my under eye with Bororo and Fula just to bring the whole look together. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you'd like to see down below in the comment section. Thank you.